From the outside, they look luxurious, powerful, and utterly captivating. But beneath that glossy paint, many SUVs are struggling to survive before even hitting the 100,000-mile mark. Names once praised for durability and safety have now become financial nightmares for thousands of owners. In today's list, you'll discover SUV models that seem like a dream, but are actually hidden traps on 4 wheels. And trust me, number 3 will make you never look at luxury vehicles the same way again. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Eight SUVs that die before 100 miles. Jeep Cherokee. When you think of Jeep, images of ruggedness and toughness come to mind, machines built to conquer any terrain. But with the Cherokee's 2.4L Tiger Shark generation, all those promises crumble after just a few tens of thousands of miles. The engine, supposedly reliable, has an alarming habit of drinking oil, nearly a quart every 1,000 miles. Miss topping it off just once, and you're looking at burnt pistons, scratched cylinders, or even a seized engine. And that's just the beginning. Countless owners have shared their heart-stopping experiences, the car running smoothly one moment, then suddenly stalling at an intersection, or the check engine light flashing non-stop due to leaking head gaskets or shaking at low speeds. In some cases, vehicles broke down just weeks after a full service. Jeep was once seen as America's symbol of freedom, but with this Cherokee, the only freedom is freely burning through your wallet. At garages in the UK, the cost of a full overhaul or engine replacement ranges from $3,500 to $5,000, sometimes more than the used car's value. As a result, many owners choose to sell at a loss, while dealers quietly steer clear of this model. The irony? On paper, the Cherokee looks perfect. Rugged design, high ground clearance, and a comfortable interior. But behind that classic American SUV exterior lies a surprisingly fragile vehicle, ready to betray you at any moment. If you're looking for a safe family car, the Jeep Cherokee will teach you a costly lesson. Don't let style fool you into thinking it's durable. BMW X5. When it comes to SUVs that make you feel both proud and terrified to drive, the BMW X5 tops the list. From its debut, it was hailed as the pinnacle of German perfection, powerful, luxurious, and precise in every detail. But beneath that cool exterior lies a mechanical disaster known as the X-Drive 35D diesel, where everything expensive can break all at once. The fatal flaw lies in the timing chain, placed at the back of the engine rather than the front, as is typical. When the chain starts to stretch, you'll hear a whirring noise during cold starts. Ignore it a few times, and it might snap entirely. When that happens, our condolences, the entire engine needs to be torn apart. UK mechanics call this BMW's expensive joke, as repairs cost $5,000 to $8,000. Sometimes more than the value of a used X5. But the troubles don't end there. The EGR and DPF systems, designed to reduce emissions, are culprits in causing overheating, engine failure, or even fires. And the electronics, a labyrinth of sensors, modules, and wiring where a single small glitch can send the entire car into hibernation in the middle of the street. When it rolled off the factory line, the X5 had people willing to pay $70,000 just to grip its blue and white logoed steering wheel. But a few years later, its value plummets below $10,000 because no one dares buy this ticking time bomb. And that's the paradox of the X5, an SUV you admire from afar, but fear to own. Because sometimes, the pinnacle of German engineering isn't a symbol of durability. It's an expensive lesson in the cost of perfection. Nissan Pathfinder. Nissan once promised buyers that the Pathfinder would be the perfect family SUV. Smooth, fuel-efficient, and reliable. But the harsh reality is that it became one of Nissan's failed children, dragging the brand's reputation down with it. The culprit isn't the engine, but the heart of the drivetrain, the CVT transmission. On paper, the CVT is cutting-edge technology, seamless gear shifts, and optimized fuel economy. But in the Pathfinder, it's a mechanical disaster. After just 50,000 to 80,000 miles, many vehicles start making metallic whining noises, accelerating sluggishly as if being held back, and then losing all power in the middle of the road. Some owners recount terrifying moments when their car suddenly stalled on a highway, a mix of panic and frustration. Worse yet, you can't just repair this transmission. When it fails, the only option is a full replacement, costing $3,000 to $4,500. The real tragedy? Many owners who replaced it found the new transmission failing with the same issues just months later, thanks to the same flawed design. It doesn't stop there. The transmission's oil cooling system is poorly designed, causing the CVT to overheat and fail even sooner. Nissan extended warranties in some markets, but thousands of UK owners were left with hefty repair bills. Once upon a time, the name Pathfinder stood for adventure and durability. Now it's a warning sign in the used car market. A suspiciously low price? Sure, but that's the sweet trap for anyone who hasn't heard a CVT screaming before it dies. A vehicle born to explore the world has become proof that sometimes the smoothest path leads straight to disaster.
4 Range Rover Evoque.
The Range Rover Evoque was once an icon of style, a compact, seductive, and trendy SUV that turned heads wherever it went. It carried the promise of being the ticket to Land Rover's luxury world, but ironically, for many, that ticket opened the door to maintenance hell. The heart of the Evoque, its 2.0 Ingenium engine, is where the trouble begins. The cooling system is erratic, causing sudden overheating that warps the cylinder head or seizes the engine with little to no warning. One day you're driving normally. The next, your engine is clinically dead. The cost to replace it? $6,000 to $9,000, often more than the value of a used Evoque. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The transmission isn't much better. Jerky gear shifts, slipping, or even stalling mid-turn. Add to that Land Rover's specialty, a litany of electrical issues like frozen screens, blind spot sensors failing, phantom warning lights, and cameras refusing to work. It feels like you're driving a giant laptop on 4 wheels. UK mechanics joke that Evoque owners have 2 choices: love it blindly or sell it while you still can. Because when the problems hit, the car's luxury glow fades, leaving only a bill that'll make you want to cry. The Evoque was born to showcase class, but ended up as a bitter reminder. Luxury doesn't mean durability, and the Range Rover badge can't hide the fragility within. A car that makes you look wealthy until you have to pay to fix it like someone truly rich. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. Launch. Ford Explorer. In America, the Ford Explorer is a familiar sight on every road, a symbol of long road trips, family adventures, and freedom. But with its newer generations, especially those with the 2.3L and 3.0L V6 EcoBoost engines, that icon has slowly crumbled. Instead of exploring the world, many owners are exploring every detail of its breakdowns in the garage. The trouble starts with the automatic transmission. Instead of smooth shifts, it jerks, slips gears, stalls mid-drive, or even dies while the car is moving. Some owners recount terrifying moments, overtaking on the highway only for the car to suddenly lurch as if pulled backward. That fear doesn't just grip their hearts, it empties their wallets too, with transmission replacement costs ranging from $4,500 to $6,000. But the real disaster lies in the engine. Ford once boasted about its turbocharged EcoBoost technology, but these engines have a tendency to leak coolant into the cylinders, leading to burnt pistons, warped cylinder heads, or complete failure. An engine replacement can cost $7,000 to $9,000, and the tragedy is that many explorers don't even reach 60,000 miles before needing a heart transplant. Add to that an erratic electrical system, frozen screens, dead cameras, and haywire sensors, and the Explorer quickly loses its shine. From a family icon, it's become a silent money pit, leaving many regretting their trust in the Ford Tough brand. Now, used Explorers sit in cheap car lots, still looking imposing, but missing the soul they once had. A reminder that sometimes, the thing you trust the most is the one that disappoints you the deepest. 6. Jaguar I-Pace. When Jaguar unveiled the I-Pace, the world believed it was a game changer. A luxurious electric SUV with bold design and high performance, hailed as Britain's Tesla killer. But just a few years later, the I-Pace name is tied to two words that chill owners to the bone: battery failure. The issue isn't the style or driving experience, but the heart of the car, the high-voltage battery pack. Instead of being durable, the I-Pace's battery degrades shockingly fast, losing capacity, overheating, or failing entirely after just a few tens of thousands of miles. Some owners describe terrifying moments when, after charging, the car refuses to start, leaving them stranded at a charging station like an abandoned soul. The most painful part? Replacing the battery costs $18,000 to $25,000, often more than the car's value on the used market. Despite Jaguar's attempts with software updates and warranties, the damage to its reputation is done. Many dealers refuse to take used I-Paces, and forums are flooded with warnings. Don't be foolish enough to buy a used I-Pace. The problems don't stop there. A slew of secondary issues plague the car: charging connection failures, faulty battery cooling systems, and vehicles shutting off mid-drive, leaving owners both frustrated and scared. And when you look at the price tag, the depreciation is staggering. After just 3 years, many I-Paces lose over 60% of their value. From a symbol of British pride, the Jaguar I-Pace is now a bitter lesson in the electric vehicle era. That technology can't save a fundamentally unstable platform. An SUV once called the future is now just a memory of broken dreams on 4 wheels. 7. Land Rover Discovery Sport. Land Rover was once a source of British pride, a symbol of class and the spirit of adventure. But with the Discovery Sport, that dream has turned into an expensive nightmare that thousands of owners are still enduring. Beneath its luxurious exterior lies a relentless string of mechanical failures, enough to discourage even the most optimistic driver. The Ingenium engine, once hyped as the pinnacle of British engineering, is instead a fatal flaw. Oil gets diluted, timing chains stretch, turbos fail, and in some cases, the engine seizes up after just 70,000 to 80,000 miles. When that happens, the only solution is to replace the entire engine at a cost of $7,000 to $10,000. That's not all. The complex electrical system is a constant source of trouble. Frozen screens, blind cameras, erratic sensors, and gear selectors that refuse to work. Fix one issue, and a few weeks later, another pops up. Some compare the Discovery Sport to a frail aristocrat, elegant and refined but perpetually sickly. The car's value has plummeted. From over $40,000 when new, many are now worth less than $15,000 because no one dares buy them. UK used car forums are filled with complaints from owners who once believed British cars are top tier. Now, when someone asks about the Discovery Sport, mechanics offer a wry smile. If you want adventure, it'll deliver, but it's an adventure into the world of repair bills. A symbol once tied to the dream of conquering the world is now just a haunting reminder of Land Rover's reliability issues. Zwicht, Chevrolet Equinox. Chevrolet marketed the Equinox as the SUV that balances everything: fuel efficiency, practicality and durability. A safe choice for families who avoid risks. But in reality, the Equinox proves the saying, you get what you pay for. After a few years, a slew of issues emerge, leaving owners lamenting, I wish I'd known sooner. The 1.5L turbo engine, once praised for its fuel efficiency, quickly reveals its weaknesses. It consumes oil at an alarming rate, spark plugs burn out early, and some even see oil leaking from the valve cover, with blue smoke rising from nearly new vehicles. Many owners in the UK and US report that after just a few months, the engine feels sluggish, with a clattering noise like metal striking metal. The 6-speed automatic transmission is another letdown. During gear shifts, the car jerks sharply, slips, or lags, especially at low speeds. Once the transmission starts slipping, the only option is a full replacement, costing $4,000 to $6,000, a death sentence for this mid-size SUV. Chevrolet promised the Equinox would be a reliable companion, but the reality is the opposite. A weak engine, faulty transmission, and an interior that ages quickly. Owners love it until the first trip to the repair shop. An SUV meant to save you money ends up making you pay dearly for that very thriftiness. The Equinox is proof that made in America doesn't always mean built to last. Looking at these 8 SUVs that die young, a bitter truth emerges. A big brand or sleek design can't hide technical flaws. From leaking engines to early transmission failures, from luxury models to budget-friendly ones, all can become financial traps if buyers focus only on appearances. The costly lesson here is to choose based on real-world experience, not just a logo, because sometimes true durability lies in the least glamorous things. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.